The ECAA is an admissions test for all applicants applying to Cambridge for economics. Quite different from last year, the new ECAA test format has been condensed into two main sections. Section 1 is a mathematics-based multiple choice test, and Section 2 consists of an essay question on economic topics. The essay question is usually accompanied by an extract from an academic work, a book, journal article, or research paper. To discuss the issues well and in depth within 40 minutes, students that perform well need to have a strong basis in economics beforehand. Areas that the essay questions can cover include macroeconomics, microeconomics, development economics, and political economy. Let's quickly run through each part of the test. For the maths part, students need knowledge of numbers, ratio and proportion, algebra, geometry, statistics, and probability. For advanced maths, students have to know a little bit more about algebra and functions, sequences and series, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, exponentials and logarithms, and also calculus, so differentiation and integration. In general, students should have studied most of these topics before, but would benefit from a comprehensive review of the fundamental concepts. A solid understanding of the concepts are important because the questions are designed to test whether students are able to solve them in a limited amount of time. Preparations involved for answering the essay question in Section 2 is far more complex. These questions often involve current social and economic issues, and the best performers are often students who are actively engaged in current affairs, economic and social debates, and have a keen interest in history and politics. Some of the resources we recommend include reading the Financial Times, Bloomberg, the Wall Street Journal, and other trustworthy newspapers. Students are also recommended to listen to podcasts including the In Our Time series by BBC Radio 4 and other history, economics, and politics related podcasts. YouTube is also another great resource that students can use to delve deeper into the topics that they're interested in. Finally, the best way to learn is to read more of these topics, including works by famous economists such as Daniel Kahneman, Joseph Stiglitz, Paul Krugman, Milton Friedman, and many more. To conclude, students should not underestimate the time they need to spend to get prepared for the test, which is an important part of the overall application profile.